There's one spice that can help heal your colon, that can help heal you, because everything starts in the colon. And that magical spice is turmeric. Because of the fact that our colon and our brain work together, that 90% of the serotonin, that feel-good hormone, is produced in our colon. And if that hormone is not regulated, you may be wondering why you're having brain fog, you can't think correctly. You're not happy, you're having mood disorders, you're depressed, you're anxious, and even if you're having poor sleep, because serotonin is involved in the sleep-wake cycle. As serotonin is the precursor to melatonin that's secreted in your brain in the pineal gland. And serotonin is involved in modulating pain perception. And it also plays a significant role in your cardiovascular function, including your blood pressure, your heart rate, and blood clotting. And there's not one person in this world who hasn't had intestinal or digestive problems. Everything starts in the colon. And when there's inflammation, that's what contributes to the various digestive issues, increasing your risk of inflammatory bowel disease, colitis, colorectal cancers. And when your colon's inflamed, that's where turmeric comes in. That powerful antioxidant, the active component, curcumin. And that's what has those antioxidant effects, as well as those anti-inflammatory properties. As curcumin is a potent antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress in the body. And oxidative stress is linked to cellular damage and inflammation, and that curcumin fights those free radicals, so it doesn't destroy the cells, the mitochondria within our body. And your gut microbiome consists of trillions of bacteria that inhabit the digestive tract. That plays a crucial role in your overall health, including colon health. And curcumin has been shown to have prebiotic effects, meaning it helps promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy balance of gut flora is essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. And turmeric has been found to stimulate the production of bile by the gallbladder. And bile is essential for the digestion and absorption of fats and fat-soluble vitamins. And by promoting bile production, turmeric can support healthy digestion and help remove waste and toxins from your colon. The curcumin in turmeric has been shown to support liver function and enhance the body's natural detoxification processes. A healthy liver is essential for removing those waste products from the body, including your colon. And turmeric will make you more regular by reducing inflammation, supporting your gut health, stimulating bile production, and aiding in detoxification. It will help cleanse your colon and promote regular bowel movements. A healthy colon is essential for proper waste elimination, nutrient absorption, and overall digestive health. And if you are one of those people who do not go regular to the bathroom, some people go 3 days, 4 days, up to a week, that's a problem. Auto-intoxication and constipation will cause abdominal discomfort, bloating, and straining during bowel movements, which can lead to rectal pain and discomfort. This will increase the risk of hemorrhoids, swollen veins in the rectum or anus. And when the stool remains in the colon for an extended period of time, toxins and waste products can be reabsorbed back into the bloodstream, potentially causing systemic toxicity and affecting your overall health. And the majority of all skin problems, from psoriasis to eczema, even conditions with acne, all stem directly, one way or another, from our colon. Yes, there are hormones involved, but when it comes to breaking out within the skin, that's the way your body is designed to be, stemming from the inside out. That the toxins, the waste material, has to go somewhere. And when you feel weak and tired, or you start developing other conditions, remember, the gut affects your immunity. And if you're having autoimmune problems, if you're having allergic problems, you need to look back at the gut. And that's where turmeric can be extremely powerful for you. And commonly recommended doses of turmeric that has curcumin in there. Remember, having piperine, black pepper, cooking with turmeric will help better absorbability. Taking your turmeric with fat, with food, will help absorbability because turmeric is fat soluble, anywhere from 500 to 2,000 milligrams a day. You can use turmeric powder if you don't use the fresh turmeric. Using it in your food, it will make a tremendous difference for your colon. And what I really want you to understand, above and beyond everything we talked about, is how important your gut is. How are you taking care of it? What are you feeding to your gut? Are you giving it the right prebiotics? Because those prebiotics is what feeds your probiotics, giving you a healthy microbiome. And that's where everything starts. So if you're eating literally crappy with refined and processed foods, the wrong type of fat, trans fat, and you're not taking care of yourself, your gut is not going to take care of you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with your friends and family. And most important, make it a great day.